Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here with a cookie creation, and today let's get going with these awesome and fun and different school Valentine's Day cookies. Now this one's a little near and dear to my heart because this is where I went to school, so I am more than happy to make these delicious cookies for all of those little kids. Fun little tidbit, these cookies, believe it or not, actually require a bit of math. Whether it's dividing up a cookie in thirds to make the lines for the pencil, or spacing out the lines for the wide ruled pages that I do here in a little bit. So believe it or not, it sticks with ya. I am incredibly grateful that your guys' teacher asked me to make you guys these cookies, because I know how important things like this can be for all of you guys, because I've been there. Just know, if you can dream it, you can do it. hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making these cookies. They weren't without problem, like anything in life, but I fixed it and went with it, just like everything else. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below any questions or thoughts you may have. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that bell for a notification every time I post a new video. And as always, be super today.